Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to completely block Photoshop from accessing the internet on your Windows computer, for privacy reasons, to avoid forced updates, or maybe just to keep it from sending data in the background, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to block Photoshop's internet access using the built-in Windows Firewall. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have full control over how and when Photoshop connects online. Let's jump right in. First, we need to pull up the control panel. You can do this by clicking your Windows Start menu and simply typing Control Panel. It should pop up right away. Go ahead and open that. Once you're in the control panel, find Windows Defender Firewall. Sometimes it just says Windows Firewall. It might feel old school compared to Windows' newer settings apps, but this is still the best spot for advanced network controls. Next, over on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see an option that says Advanced Settings. Give that a click. Don't worry, while the interface here might look a little technical, just follow along and you'll be fine. This is where we can set up custom rules for how apps interact with your network. Now, on the left panel of this new window, find Outbound Rules. What's the difference between outbound and inbound? Outbound rules control which programs are allowed to send data out of your computer. So if we stop outbound traffic for Photoshop, it won't be able to access the internet at all. Go ahead and click Outbound Rules. In the panel on the right, you'll see Actions. Click where it says New Rule. This opens up a wizard, which is basically a step-by-step assistant for creating your custom rule. First, you'll choose Program because we want to block a specific app, Photoshop. Click Next. Now you need to point Windows to the actual Photoshop executable file. Select this program path, then hit Browse. Dig through your folders until you find Photoshop's exe file. For most people, it'll be in C/program files /Adobe Photoshop version /Photoshop exe. If you have multiple versions of Photoshop or installed it elsewhere, just make sure you're picking the right one. This step is important. If you accidentally select a shortcut or the wrong file, the rule won't work as expected. After that's set, click Next and then choose Block the Connection. This is the main event. When you tick this option, you're telling Windows to stop Photoshop from sending any information out, no matter what it tries to do. Now Windows asks which network types the rule should apply to: domain, private, and public. Leave all three boxes checked. This way, no matter where you use your computer, at home, at work, or on public Wi-Fi, Photoshop stays offline. Click Next, and now you give your rule a name, something easy to remember like Block Photoshop Internet Access. It doesn't matter what you call it, but make it clear, so if you ever want to reverse the process, you can easily spot this rule in your list. Finally, hit Finish. And that's it. Windows will now quietly keep Photoshop from ever connecting to the internet. Remember, if Photoshop suddenly can't check for updates or reach cloud services, this is why. If you ever need to roll back this change, just head back into your outbound rules, find the rule you just created and delete or disable it. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you take control over your apps, give the video a thumbs up. Got questions or want to request another tutorial? Drop a comment down below. I love hearing from you. And if you want more easy-to-follow guides like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.